So we're here for the Saab sale at NEVS in Trollhättan, and we bought all kinds of stuff and we were to a presentation. Now I have to show you guys around. This morning when we came here, the line started over there, went all this way and back to this entrance. It was totally crazy. So let's go around and take a look on what's for sale. I mean, what's left of it. I mean, so we're heading inside. His wifey.
Då kan jag hon här.
Ja, ska vi vänta då?
Cool. Eller momentskaft liksom som för sig. Ja.
Nej. Man måste den är faktiskt. Så de tryckte Uddevalla på tryckeri där. Är de. Så jag har inte gjort det. Jag bara står där.
So most of the parts that are interesting is of course already gone. Sadly, I have to prioritize myself and buy the parts or the Saab memorabilia that I wanted. Of course, here you can see the old Saab factory with the main gate and everything. There are loads of Saab people here today. It's totally crazy. Sorry.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that guy?
Men fan, det där jävla bången. Jag tror det är bra. Where Marcus?
You sold everything.
Almost.
Almost everything.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm taking the walk around tour a little. Now that I have the time. So here is the old barn. This barn was the first thing that was here on Stallbacka before they built the factory and everything. Really cool, right? Not for sale. The protein drive NEVS cars. Pretty cool. People have been driving out with a lot of stuff for a long time now, so it's crazy. Should we go? Walk around tour. So this place is almost empty, but this morning there were lots of cool Saab stuff here. So now almost everything is sold. You can buy an entire sketch of a car for 5,000. It's almost 500 euros. Pretty cool. A lot of sketches you can buy at the engineering plant.
Fina människor som jobbar här, men man vet aldrig vem som har träffat. Nej,
Jag känner igen mig kan jag säga.
So this will actually be the very last time NEVS are selling Saab parts. So the last parts that will be left here will be really bargain. You can buy the Saab boxes, pretty cool. This is only a quick tour around the place. We will go inside and check out the movie that's future. Movie, but the presentation of Emily. Some commercial about this, the Factory Thn car workshop. A real Saab expert had the roots from Stallbacka, from this place. So if you come to Trollhättan and you have a Saab, you can order appointment here to get your car serviced, and you're supporting, of course, NEVS, which is great. The first sketch, the information says that officially the Saab car business didn't start from 1946, but this sketch was dated in May 1945, and as you know, the World War II ended also in May, so they were really early with the development of a car. They realized very early that they need something else.
Jag tog hem ett par till olika som finns några olika tillverkare. Och den här var faktiskt väldigt bra ganska. I think the results are amazing. There's very few of the competition which can match the proportions in there. It's low, it's wide, incredibly sporty, incredibly dynamic. At the same time, it's fresh, it's modern. It's beautifully sculpted, both interior and exterior. So for me, it's a confident design, it's original, and incredibly desirable.
It was just a short clip, you know, try to show as much as possible. You can also get the NEVS burger and stuff. So this will probably be the last time that one is in this building, which seems very sad, but it is what it is. I mean, and it's so great to finally see Emily again. It is a fantastic car. So please also make sure that you see the separate video of the Emily presentation by Frank Smith. It's probably in the playlist or a link in the description, so make sure you watch that also. I just have to go out and show all the cars. Also, then we are finished. I can grab the camera and I'll be back in a few minutes. You can see also an Auto Motorsport. Here is on Emily. So many cars have already left, but still, as you see, if you love Saabs, plenty of Saabs left here. The other event is on the other side, so yeah, fantastic. Pretty cool, right? So many cars here today, so much people. It's finally calmed down, of course, because many are doing the test drive on the old Saab test drive on the other side here, of course. But just imagine if once this area was full with development of new cars, and yeah, now it's almost totally gone, sadly. Quite depressing. We will go in and see if we can find wifey so we can say goodbye, and then we will go and grab some food, because we've been standing here since 8 o'clock this morning, and yeah, could be a good idea to get a little break right now. I see. Sorry about the flickering lights. GoPro doesn't like it. So I think this was it from us. This was only a short video presentation about NEVS and the Saab sale.
Yes.
Wifey, not so long video really. Really short. I hope they will be pleased with that, because everyone already bought all the Saab parts and went home.
Yeah, there's almost nothing left.
It's crazy,
It's
right?
crazy.
Crazy, right? So now,
So many people today.
oh yeah, so many Saab people.
Yeah.
And yeah, we also, maybe I should say, I bought a little too much stuff also. We will do a separate video on what we bought, or?
Yes. Yeah, of course.
Oh wait, we have to do that. Yeah, we will see. I will be in big problem. Big problem. Also, we haven't left, so maybe we found something else also.
There's a risk for this.
Oh yeah, it definitely is. So now we will go and grab NEVS burger, if there's still anyone left.
There's one left, yeah.
Because we really need some food.
Yeah.
So we don't starve to death. But until the next video,
See you.
take care and see you later. And don't forget
To subscribe and press the like button.
oh yeah, because we're doing this for you, not because we love to standing here in public and talking.
No.
So take care.
Bye.
Bye.